How to fix VPN not working on Windows 11. To fix VPN not working on Windows 11, try 1. If you use some manual connection, re-add and connect to a different VPN server/protocol. 2. Update Windows. Eleven. 3. Remove and reinstall one many port network adapters. 4. Flush existing DNS. Run the following commands as admin: IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /flush IP protocol configuration /renew netshare int IP reset netshare winsock reset 5. Disable internet protocol version 6. 6. Disable proxy settings. 7. Turn off system firewall, temporarily. 8. Create a DWORD, 32-bit, key, assume UDP encapsulation context on send rule at HKey_local_machine /system current control set /services /policy agent. Set 2 to assume UDP encapsulation context on send rule. 9. Remove and reinstall your VPN software. And keep it up to date. Plan B, using the recommended VYPR VPN in this video guide, if your country blocks VPN connections. 10.